Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 16th of April. First of all, national news. After the Kashmir files, filmmaker reveals his next, the Delhi files. Over 80% of Haryana's COVID cases in 14 days are from Gurugram district. Will transform way Mumbai travels. Aditya Thackeray on new road plan. Maharashtra Tourism and Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray yesterday laid the foundation for the Goregaon Mulund Link Road project at the Goregaon end here. Hawkers allowed to operate in markets only in accordance with policy, Supreme Court. PM Modi reveals India's goal to have record number of doctors in 10 years. Air India's phased April plan to restore employees' salaries. Nearly 48% rise in home isolation cases of COVID in a week in Delhi. Our judiciary is overburdened. Chief Justice N.V. Raman on vacancies. He said he is making efforts to fill up vacancies in the judiciary. And now some international news. Support for Putin comes with a price. US senators warning to China. US top diplomat to visit Seoul to discuss North Korea's missile launches. Nepali climber Gimi Tenji Sherpa died on Mount Everest, was found in a sitting position. World War III has begun after sinking of Moskva, Russian state television. US President Joe Biden announced Friday his intention to nominate Michael Barr for Federal Reserve Vice Chair. And now some sports news. Joe Root on Friday announced his decision to quit England's Test captaincy. Really wanted to play. Deepak Chahar's message after injury forces him out of IPL. And next is weather. Delhi's maximum temperature settles at 38.7 degrees. The IMD has predicted that heat wave conditions are unlikely in Delhi for the next couple of days. And these headlines are for 16th of April. Thank you to all of you.